Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So students, I am your computer and GK teachers from LPM Public School near Tehsil Chowk, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So students, in previous video I have sent you some topics explanation and PDF. With that you have to complete your fair copies. And now today I am going to teach you the assessment 2 in your first GK book, that is World Vision, a book of general knowledge including Olympiad sample papers. So let's start. In this we have assessment, we have 4 exercises. The first one is tick the correct answer. The first one is tick the correct answer. See here. In this we have 5 questions. First one is Peter Pan spent his never-ending childhood in. Peter Pan spent his never-ending childhood in. We have 4 options: Gotham City, Neverland, Emberland City, Cooper Station. And the correct answer is Neverland. Peter Pan spent his never-ending childhood in Neverland. And come to the next, that is second one. Which of the following is a classic story? Which of the following is a classic story? The Nutcracker, Copella, Oliver Twist, Swan Lake. And the correct answer is Oliver Twist. Which of the following is a classic story? In this, Oliver Twist is a classic story. Then come to the third one. Which country puts the maximum plastic in the ocean? Which country puts the maximum plastic in the ocean? So the correct answer, can you guess? We have 4 options: Japan, India, China and Korea. So the country China puts the maximum plastic in the ocean. So now next, come to the next one, that is fourth one. So let's start the fourth one. So fourth one is, look at the signage. What does it mean? Here the signage is given here. What does it mean? Can you know what does it mean? Yes. We have 4 options: petrol pump, fire extinguishers, departure, none of this. But can you guess which is the correct answer? The correct answer is what? Petrol pump. Whatever the figure here given here, signage, it is known as the petrol pump. Next is fifth one, that is, who is the founder of Microsoft company? Who is the founder of Microsoft company? We have 4 options: Steve Jobs, Sergey Brin, Larry Page, Bill Gates. And the correct answer is Bill Gates. Bill Gates is the founder of Microsoft company. Okay, now come to the next, the 6th one. Who is known as the Waterman of India? Can you tell me who is known as the Waterman of India? Kapil Dev, Rakesh Sharma, Jadav Payang, Rajendra Singh. And the correct answer is Rajendra Singh is the Waterman of India. The Rajendra Singh is known as the Waterman of India. Now come to the next one, that is 7th one. In 7th one, who was the first woman in space? Option is Sunita Williams, Kalpana Chawla, Valentina Tereshkova. None of these. Can you tell me who was the first woman in space? Yeah. In all over the world, who was the first woman in space? The first woman in space is Valentina Tereshkova. Valentina Tereshkova is the first woman in space. And Kalpana Chawla is the first Indian woman in space. Now come to the next, that is 8.1. What does this icon means? See here icon is given here. Can you guess what does this icon means? Save, paste, cut or delete. This icon shows here. Can you guess? Yes, it is a save icon. It is a save icon. The correct answer is save. Now come to the next, that is ninth one. Ninth one is, see here, ninth one. Which one is not a fiction? Which one is not a fiction? The Wonderful World of Oz, Swami and his friends, Gulliver's Travel, none of these. Can you guess? Yes, which one is not a fiction? Yeah, all three are the not a fiction. So answer is none of these. The correct answer is what? None of these. Now come to the next 10th one, that is Amazon river is in. Can you tell me where is the Amazon river? Yeah, it is in. You have four answers, four options: Turkey, South America, Australia, Spain. But Amazon river is in South America. So the correct answer is South America. By this we have completed exercise A. Tick the correct answer. Now we will do the next exercise, that is exercise B. Match the following. In exercise we will do match the following. Here also we have 5 questions. The first one is Swami, second Batman, then Albert Einstein, Camel Bus, Yellow River. We have to choose the correct answer from column B and match it. So let's start. The first one is Swami. Swami, that is D, Malgudi. So where in Malgudi Day, Swami character is there. Then second one is Batsman. Batsman is in Gotham City. Batsman is in Gotham City. Then third, Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein is in Germany. Albert Einstein is in Germany. Then fourth one is Camel Bus. Camel Bus is found in Cuba. Camel Bus is found in Cuba country. Then Yellow River. Yellow River is located in China. Yellow River is located in where? Yellow River is located? Yes, Yellow River is located in China. Okay? So by this we have completed the match the following: Swami, Malgudi Days, Batman, Gotham City, Albert Einstein, Germany, Camel Bus, Cuba, Yellow River, China. Okay? Now let's start the exercise C, that is fill in the blanks. That is fill in the blanks. So exercise C is fill in the blanks. In this we have given each and every questions having the 2 options. We have to choose the correct answer. So let's start. The first one is always put your best foot. Always put your best foot forward or backward. The correct answer is forward. Always put your best foot forward. 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 Okay. Now come to the next. That is second one. One who composes music is called. कंपोजर और सिंगर जो म्यूजिक कंपोज करता है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? व्हाट वी से द कंपोजर. स्पेलिंग इज COMPOSER. कंपोजर. ओके. वन हु कंपोजेस म्यूजिक इज कॉल्ड कंपोजर. देन कम टू द नेक्स्ट, दैट इज थर्ड वन. Dash is the longest river in the world. Can you guess? In India we have the Ganga, but in the world we have Nile. Nile is the longest river in the world. The spelling is NILE. 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 Nile is the longest river in the world. Then come to the next, that is fourth one. Amphibious. Amphibians can run on dash and water. So amphibians can run on land and water. Land, land and water. Okay. Now come to the next, that is fifth one. Dash has the largest number of volcanoes. Can you tell me which country has the largest number of volcanoes? The correct answer is Japan. Japan. Japan is okay. So I will repeat the again answer, each and every question's answer. First one is, always put your best foot forward. One who composes music is called composer. Dash is the longest river in the world, that is Nile. Amphibians can run on land and water. Dash has the largest number of volcanoes. The correct answer is Japan. So by this, we completed exercise C. Now let's start the last exercise, that is exercise D. So in exercise D, we have to tick the correct and cross the incorrect statements. Okay, so let's start. Here also we have 5 statements are there. One by one we will go through. The first one is, tsunami occurs only at night. It's really students, tsunami जो है वो केवल रात में ही आता है? No, this statement is not correct. Why? Because any time tsunami can occur any time in a day. It's not compulsory that it will be occurs at night only. So this statement is incorrect. Second, Steve Jobs is a co-founder of Google. So is it Steve Jobs is a co-founder of Google? No, it's not a correct statement. It is a wrong statement. Steve Jobs is not a co-founder of Google. Okay. So students, Steve Jobs is a co-founder of Google. This statement is incorrect because Steve Jobs is a founder of Apple computer. Steve Jobs is not a co-founder of Google. Google is co-founded by the Larry Page. Okay, so Larry Page, the correct statement is what? Larry Page is a co-founder of Google, not a Steve Jobs. So this statement is incorrect. Now come to the next, that is third one. There are 14 temples in Mysore places. There are 14 temples in Mysore palace. So students, can you tell me this statement is correct or incorrect? Yes. This statement is what? There are 14 temples in Mysore palace. Yes, this statement is correct. This statement is correct. Now come to the next. The Mysore palace have 14 temples. Now come to the next, that is fourth one. Empire State Building has 102 stories and is located in New York. Is it? This statement is incorrect or correct? Yes, it is correct. This statement is correct. Why? Because in New York it is a Empire State Building which has 102 stories. Okay, and it is located in New York. So this statement is correct. Now come to the next, that is last one. Ganga is the longest river in India. Now tell me, this statement is correct or incorrect? Yes, this statement is also correct. Ganga is the longest river in India. We will repeat again one by one. So let's start. First one is, tsunami occurs only at now. This statement is incorrect. Steve Jobs is a co-founder of Google. This is also incorrect. Why? Because Larry Page is a co-founder of Google. Then third one is, there are 14 temples in Mysore Palace. Yes, this statement is correct. Empire State Building has 102 stories and is located in New York. Yes, this statement is also correct. Then fifth one, Ganga is the longest river in India. Yes, Ganga is the longest river in India. So this statement is also correct. So by this we have completed all the exercises A, B, C and D. So students, please fill your books, and whenever the school will get reopened, submit your books for the checking. Okay, so bye. I will send you the PDF also to complete which will be helpful for you to complete your books. So bye. We will meet in the next video with the next topics. Complete your fair copies also. Thank you.